Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ka jingkuli ka jingsio ka barit but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, ar riu khandai pra.
Lanyo iwe Ngut, Henry Barok ke principal kinohikai ki samla puli bat ki college hapok ke jela. Kila munjur lot ban penyai baik ya ke jing pentrekam ya ke National Education Policy nadu mentau snem. Ya kini lakren du Vice Chancellor ke School ba North Eastern Hill University, u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla. Baru loong ba ke jing pentrekam ya ke NEP kan wanra ke jing mentoi ki kun samla ke jela Meghalaya. Uloong bakum UVC ke Nehu lalu msyibun ke jingalang bat ki principal ki college kinohikai ki samla puli bat ki seng bahalang. Henry hadu menta ke MCTA, kamchim lawan cakmat banyak keren halor ke jing Pyrshah jongki ban pentrekam ya ke NEP. UVC ke Nehu uloong, bau keluar banyarab ki college ban pentrekam no ya ke NEP, nadu mentau snem arja apulai. Namar kani kan wanra ke jing bha, bat ke jing mento ya ki kun samla ke Meghalaya, bat day namar kani barok kile menjur ya ke NEP.
I think till date I have not received any. Our principals are agree. Our students, you had already published in the paper जो है. Our students are agree. Our principals are agree जो है. Even जो है and Nehu already had taken a decision to implement the new education policy. And till date, except one or two I can't say, but none of the principal जो है even जो है send me any mail. I am not going to implement the new education policy. Academic Council, I clearly stated all the things in the papers. Academic Council for framing of the rules and others. Yes, in the next meeting we are ready to discuss. Even I am ready to discuss with the anyone, not only the MCT. Even I already made a discussion with the KCU, also the Nehu, also the HYNC, HYC, and FKGP. I already made a discussion in this hall. And everybody is convinced for the benefit of the youth of the Meghalaya. Actually, Meghalaya union member is directly concerned with the state government. No, he is not working under my domain. Even I cannot directly say anything to the Meghalaya Teachers Association. I am ready to discuss, but I cannot even directly call to him. If he is willing to come here, just I am ready to discuss. Academic Council is a constitutional body. And there is a rule and system to call the meeting. Immediately I cannot. Even by first given the letter to all the members, even all the teachers are not going to join even in academic councils. But there are certain members, no only member can join. But without the academic council, I can discuss with anyone. That's why I am ready to even anyone want to discuss about the implementation of the new education. I am ready. Even Professor Bej also. Even I was not there. So Professor Bej was there. Professor Bej already clear cut made a sentence in the discussion with the press. So my stance is very clear. Okay. They are the teacher, they can raise the question. I am not going to raise the question of any union and others. But my intention means university intention and teachers' intention is very clear. And they are ready, any kind of help, except the finance. Rest of the help I am ready to do with the help of my teachers. No, I think there is no any confusion. My letter is very clear. Sent to all the senior. Even my statement is also very clear in the press or the paper. Okay, and discussion with the even all the members of the press is also very clear. And I am able to say that none of the, except one or two, I am not able to, because our OSD is out of station, but except one or two are material. But more than I can say 90% principals are agree. In the interest of if we are not going to implement this education policy, what will be in 2026? I clearly state in the paper, who will be the loser? Vice Chancellor, or teachers of the university, or our young generation? Who will be the loser? They can raise any question. I'm not going to say anything in this year. Okay, they can raise them. They are free to raise the question. So I'm not going to comment on that. Okay, but they are also free. They can raise me. They can raise me. Even not only this, other things also some raise me the question. But my intention is very clear. That's why after my joining, every day, even you also have the experience and others, either the society people or the even affiliated colleges or the students. Every day, maximum timing expended in my office. Not less than 10 to 11 hours every day. Even Saturday and sometime maybe Sunday also, if required. Vice Chancellor of the Nehu never said the hybrid mode. Never said. This is raised by the someone I can't say. But I never said this. I'm going to implement in a hybrid mode. I just given a chance in the worst case. Just like in the best position. If any colleges are not in position, so they have the chance to implement the NEP next year. University is ready to take the burden. The university is going to implement, even someone is not going to implement the NEP. The university is going to develop two systems. This is a burden on the university. The university is ready to take this burden. In the interest of the youth of the Meghalaya. That's why going to conduct new this Rozgar Mela employment fair the first time in the campus of the Nehu. Why not is it happen in the past? That's what I'm saying. No, my intention is very clear. The state government, as I some data, the 14 state, first state government is going to conduct. No, because they are directly concerned with the state government. They are not directly concerned with the me. No. Even I had a meeting. Even call the MCT also. Which days? The KCU and HYC came, but MCT didn't come. Nehu and HYC. They didn't come. So I cannot compel him, no, because they are not my employee. They are employee of the state government. The state government directly say to him anything, but I cannot directly say anything to the teachers of the teachers of the colleges.
That means we can say that the university is firm to implement the NP by any cost from the
No, not by any cost. Not by any cost.
Okay.
With the help of all the stakeholders. But without the help of all the advocates, I am not able to. And I am also not user. If anybody is not ready yet, I am also ready to come back, go back. But this will not be in the interest of our youth.